Did you know that wearing the wrong outfit to the airport can literally cause blood clots? That's right, those tight jeans you love might be putting your health at risk during flights over 2 hours. I used to think airport fashion was just about looking good for travel photos. After 10 years and 500 plus flights, I've learned the hard way that your outfit choices can make or break your entire travel experience. Here are the airport fashion fails you need to avoid. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of you watch the videos without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great. Thank you so much. Now, back to the videos. Ever wondered why some people breeze through airport security while you're stuck in the special screening line? It might not be random bad luck at all. Your carefully chosen outfit could be secretly working against you. Airport security systems are designed to flag certain types of clothing and accessories that most of us never even realize are problematic. Those TSA agents aren't just being difficult, they're following protocols that target specific items that could potentially hide prohibited objects. You might think those stylish metal-studded jeans are perfect for your travel day Instagram pics, but they're actually setting off alarm bells, sometimes literally, at security checkpoints. And that underwire bra, it's a major culprit too. Even with all the fancy new body scanner technology that supposedly sees through clothing, certain fashion choices still trigger secondary screenings that can add 15 to 20 minutes to your security experience. Let's break down the worst offenders that security actually hates seeing. Those jeans with the decorative metal rivets and studs? They're basically walking metal detectors. The same goes for shirts with metallic threads woven into fancy patterns, belt buckles, especially the oversized kind, and shoes with thick metal shanks built into the soles. Even some hair accessories with hidden metal components can flag you for additional screening. What's really happening behind the scenes is that metal components, even small ones, create what security techs calls anomalies on body scanner images. When those anomalies appear, protocol requires agents to perform additional screening to verify it's just your fashion sense setting off alarms and not something more concerning. Did you know that clothing with controversial or political messaging can also get you pulled aside? Security personnel are trained to watch for potentially disruptive passengers, and strong political statements on your t-shirt might earn you extra attention before you even reach the scanner. It's not about censorship, it's about identifying passengers who might cause conflicts in the confined space of an aircraft. So what should you wear instead? Security professionals recommend dark, solid colored clothing without metal embellishments. Pants with elastic waistbands eliminate the need for belts altogether, and shoes that slip on and off easily with minimal metal components will save you serious time in the security line. The perfect security outfit isn't exactly runway ready, but it will get you to your gate without the extra pat down. Take Sarah, for example. She was heading to her cousin's wedding and decided to wear her new designer jeans with decorative chains and metal studs to the airport. What happened next was a travel nightmare. Her fashion-forward outfit required 3 separate security screenings as agents tried to identify the source of multiple anomalies. By the time they finished the 3rd pat-down, her flight had already closed boarding. One outfit choice cost her a $350 rebooking fee and an extra night in an airport hotel. Here's a practical solution that frequent travelers swear by. Create a dedicated airport outfit using dark colors and metal-free options. Think of it as your travel uniform. It might not be the most exciting clothing you own, but it's engineered to get you through security without a hitch. Many seasoned travelers even keep this outfit separate from their packed clothes, specifically for travel days. The ideal security outfit has become something of a science. Loose-fitting black joggers with an elastic waistband, a simple cotton t-shirt without metallic printing, a zip-up hoodie for those chilly cabins, and slip-on shoes with thin, flexible soles. If you need to look professional at your destination, pack your business attire in your carry-on and change after you arrive. But getting through security is just the beginning of your travel day. What you wear on the actual flight can be just as problematic for entirely different reasons. Those tight jeans might have made it past security, but after hour 3 of your cross-country flight, you'll be wishing you'd made a different choice. Those tight jeans that helped you breeze through security are about to become your worst enemy at 30,000 feet. Did you know that the exact same pants increasing your social media likes are also increasing your risk of developing a potentially life-threatening blood clot? While you're busy looking fly, your circulation literally isn't. The moment you step onto that airplane, your body enters a whole new world of challenges that your cute outfit just isn't equipped to handle. We're talking about a pressurized metal tube where you'll be confined to a tiny seat for hours, dealing with temperature swings that would make a weather forecaster dizzy. That stylish outfit might look great for your airport selfie, but 2 hours into your flight, you'll be wishing you'd made very different choices. Here's something most travelers don't realize. Flights lasting over 2 hours significantly increase your risk of developing deep vein thrombosis, DVT. Those skinny jeans and tight leggings that show off your legs are actually squeezing and restricting blood flow at the exact moment your body needs proper circulation the most. The longer the flight, the higher the risk becomes. By hour 4, your fashionable bottoms have essentially become circulation-cutting tourniquets. And let's talk about the dreaded airplane bathroom situation. Picture this: you're wearing that super cute jumpsuit that got you tons of compliments at the gate. Suddenly, nature calls mid-flight. Now you're facing the nightmare of completely undressing in a bathroom smaller than your hall closet. Add some unexpected turbulence to the mix, and you've got a recipe for a story you definitely won't be sharing on social media. Rompers, bodysuits, and complicated overalls all require the same undressing dance in a space where you can barely turn around. The temperature problem is another in-flight fashion disaster waiting to happen. Those single-layer outfits might seem perfect when you're rushing through a warm terminal, but airplane cabins are notoriously cold. Without proper layers, you'll be shivering under that tiny airline blanket, if you're lucky enough to get one. On the flip side, many travelers make the opposite mistake by wearing non-breathable synthetic fabrics that trap heat and moisture. You might be comfortable during the frigid flight, but you'll be a sweaty mess during boarding and after landing. Smart travelers know there's a better way. Instead of focusing solely on how your outfit looks, think about how it functions at 30,000 feet. Start with compression socks. They're not just for your grandparents anymore. These circulation-boosting wonders help prevent blood clots while keeping your ankles from swelling to twice their normal size. Pair them with loose-fitting pants that have plenty of stretch. Your Instagram followers might not see them, but your comfortable, healthy legs will thank you. The key to airplane comfort is building a strategic layering system. Begin with a breathable, high-neck t-shirt as your base layer. The high neck prevents direct contact with the headrest, which honestly, who knows when it was last cleaned. Over that, add a zip-up jacket with a hood for temperature control. This setup lets you adapt quickly to the cabin's unpredictable climate without having to dig through the overhead bin. For your bottom half, choose pants with ample stretch that won't restrict circulation. The perfect travel pants move with you. Leave room for minor bloating, which happens to everyone at altitude. And don't cut into your waist when seated for hours. Natural breathable fabrics like cotton blends or performance materials designed for movement will keep you comfortable throughout your journey. The bathroom situation deserves special consideration too. While that jumpsuit might be on trend, it's practically designed to make airplane bathroom visits a traumatic experience. Opt instead for separate tops and bottoms that don't require you to disrobe entirely in a space barely larger than a phone booth. Your dignity will remain intact even during turbulence. So we've covered the security nightmares and in-flight disasters of poor clothing choices, but here's the truth. Your travel outfit isn't about impressing strangers. It's about creating a foundation for your entire journey. Research shows that breathable fabrics and comfortable fits significantly improve your overall travel satisfaction. When you choose comfort over style, you're investing in arriving at your destination feeling refreshed rather than desperate for a shower. Expert travel stylists recommend creating a layering system with dark colors that hide inevitable coffee spills while adapting to unpredictable airport and cabin temperatures. The right clothing choices aren't just about avoiding problems, they actively contribute to a more enjoyable travel experience from start to finish. Have you had your own airport outfit disaster? Share it in the comments below. Your fashion fail might save another traveler from making the same mistake. After all, we're all in this together, 30,000 feet up, trying not to regret our pants choice.